Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to check the token usage in Claude AI in 2026. Now, in order to do it, first of all, you need to come here on Claude.ai. Then you just have to log in into your account if you haven't already. Now, when you log in, simply click on your profile icon in the bottom left-hand corner of the screen. Over here, click on the option of settings. Now, when you are here inside the settings, you just have to click on the option of billing. Then inside the billing, it is going to show you the plan that you are currently using. So in this particular area, you are also going to see the information about the input tokens from your prompts and output tokens generated by Claude. So this is going to help you understand how much of your quota or budget is being used over time. If you are working on multiple Claude models or different applications, your dashboard may also separate the token usage based on the model type and the API project. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.